So good morning guys. Mm, so in digital electronics lab we are going to see today's experiment as design and implementation of adder and subtractor using logic gates, right? So here in this experiment we are going to rig up the circuit for half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor using logic gates, and we are going to verify the truth table. Okay, so for this experiment these are the component is required: IC trainer kit, XOR gate, NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, and some patch cards, right? So in theory classes already you studied about what is half adder. What is half adder? If you want to add 2 bit, right, we are going for half adder. If you want to add 3 bit, then we will go for full adder, right? For a half adder we required only 2 inputs, right, and outputs will be carry and sum. These are the 2 outputs of half adder circuit, right? So because of 2 inputs we are having 4 combinations, right? So 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so here if you add 0 0, right, if you add 0 0, my sum is 0 and carry is 0, right? If you add 0 and 1, my sum is 1, carry is 0, and if you add 1 and 0, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. If you add 1 and 1, right, so if you add 1 and 1 in decimal point, we will get 2, right? In decimal we will get 2, and in binary if you convert that decimal 2 into binary you will get 1 0, right? So sum is 0 and 1 we call it as carry. Okay, so then K-map simplification. For a K-map simplification for sum, right, we are doing for K-map simplification for separate sum and carry. Okay, for sum we are having a 2 by 2 K-map. I consider this is A, this is B, these two are inputs, and inside whatever we are inserting the value of sum, right? So 0 1 0 1. Okay, so for 0 0, so input 0 0, what is my sum value is 0, and 0 1 my sum value is 1, I entered here, and 1 0 my sum value is 1, and 1 1 my sum value is 0, right? So there is no possibility of mapping here, right? So here these two I am writing whatever output I am getting. So for here this is A bar, right, this is A bar B, right, plus for here it's A, right, it's a B bar, so B is having 0, so it is a B bar. So sum will be A B bar plus A bar B. So simplification I can write A XOR B. So sum is equation is Boolean expression is A XOR B, and for carry again for same thing, A and B 2 inputs, right, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, these are the carry respective inputs row. So here I mentioned for 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 I am mentioning 0, and 1 and 1 it is 1, right? So here it is a isolated 1, so we can't making of grouping, right? So whatever here this place I consider as A into B, right? So carry will be A into B. Okay, then come to the logic diagram, right? So how many inputs? This is these are the 2 inputs, right? So sum will be XOR, right, A XOR B. So I am taking a XOR gate, right, I am giving 2 inputs, 1 and 2, and 3 will be the output. So this will gives the sum of the half adder. And for carry A and B, AND gate, right, I am using AND gate. So A and B I am using one AND gate, that is 7408 AND gate. 3 will be my output of the 7408. This will consider as carry, right? So this is the logic diagram for half adder circuit, right? So the same thing, we are rig up the circuit using the trainer kit, and we will verify the half adder truth table. So as per the diagram here, we are rigged up the circuit. So these are all input section, and these are all output sections, right? These are all power section. So here input as A and B, right? Here we are taking, we connected as A and B. Here two ICs we connected, one is 7486 and another one is 7408. This is XOR gate, and this gate will be AND gate, right? So here A and B I given input as XOR gate, right? See here pin number 1 and pin number 2, right? And the output, right? The output of the pin number 3 I given to the output, right? Here I given to the output. This is a sum. This is my sum, and I given VCC, right? 14 for the both ICs, and the ground point 7 for the both the ICs, right? Okay. So here the carry, the pin number 3 of 7408, right? 7408 I connected to the carry, right? So this is carry sum, and here A and B, right? So as per the truth table, 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? So we are going to verify it. So 0 0, already it is 0 0, my output is 0 0. So if input is 0 1, my output is 0 1. So sum is 1, carry is 0, right? So again I am changing to 1 and 0, right? For 1 and 0, again my sum is 1 and carry is 0. So the fourth combination is 1 and 1. My output will be carry is 1 and sum is 0. So likewise, now we verified the half wave circuit using logic gates, right? So 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 1, it's 1 0, right? So this is half wave rectifier circuit. And for half subtractor, if you come to the half subtractor, so half subtractor, this is the half subtractor circuit, A and B. Here instead of sum and carry, here we are having difference and borrow, right? Difference and borrow. Okay, so here the difference, again the same thing, difference will be A XOR B, right? And for borrow, right? So if you put the K-map simplification, I am getting one here, right? So here it is A bar B. So just we are doing like this, from A, the same as it is whatever we did in half wave rectifier, right? So A and B is the same, right? For a difference, this is the difference will be A XOR B, and only the difference in borrow, it's A naught, right? A bar dot B, right? This is my borrow. So now we are going to verify the truth table for half subtractor using trainer kit. So in half subtractor, now I included one NOT gate, right? This is NOT gate. In half adder it was not there, right? So why? Because why we are adding here my A, here I am getting A bar B, right? So here I am taking, this is A, here I will get A bar, right? So A bar B I am giving to the AND gate, my output will be the borrow, right? So here this is A and B, right? Two inputs, A and B, to input A and B, and this is borrow and this is difference, right? So now we are going to verify. For 0 and 0, here the truth table will be, it's a 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 and 0, right? So now we are verifying first two, 0 0 0 1, right? For 0 0 my output is 0 0, and for 0 1 my output will be 1 1, right? See, for 0 1 my output will be 1 1. Okay, these two is over. And next 1 0 1 1, for 1 0 I will get difference 1 borrow 0, right? So for 1 0 I will get difference 1 and borrow is 0, right? And for 1 minus 1, it is both the things will be 0, right? So 1 1 I will get 0 0, right? So this is how you have to verify the truth table of half subtractor. Okay, so likewise we can verify the truth table for full adder and full subtractor. We will see in the next class. Thank you.